welcome back to my channel. Today is another milestone video because I am so happy to announce that I hit 800 subscribers. So before I get into the whole milestone, I just wanted to touch on why I do these milestone videos. For those of you who are new to my channel, I want to say, first of all, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to subscribe. Now, the reason why I do these videos is because I just want to show my appreciation and let everyone who subscribed to my channel know that I really appreciate that they decided to subscribe and they want to continue to watch my channel grow and they like the content that I'm putting out. Next, I do these videos because I want to remind myself and have checkpoints to see how far I've come. Like, it's really nice to look back and see like how you've grown. That's really important. Obviously, it helps motivate you to go further and it helps solidify your confidence and all those kind of things. So it's really good to look back and see where you've come from. If you haven't seen my last milestone video, you might not know that it took me about 3 months to go from 600 to 700 subscribers. I don't really know what to say except for sometimes it happens so quickly. Like now, I got 800 subscribers from 700. I went from 700 to 800 subscribers in about 2 weeks. So obviously it's really been picking up. I have been uploading more content, so I'm sure that is also a factor. And I have been more consistent than I have in the past, even though before I was consistent, but I was only uploading once a week. And I've revved up my content to uploading about 3 times a week. So I'm sure that has definitely been helping. But in the past, even when I first started, I would quickly gain subscribers. You know, like I would go from like 50 to 100 or whatever, like when I, you know, in my earlier YouTube days. They would come quickly and then it would be a long time before I would get more subscribers. So in that sense, it is a little bit funny, but there are things that you can do for sure that would definitely help you get more subscribers, as far as making sure that you're consistent, uploading content that is meaningful. People come to YouTube because they're looking for information, so you want to make sure your content is valuable, that people can really have takeaways from what they watch from you, and you want to be interesting. Everybody thinks they're interesting, of course. Everybody thinks they're awesome and great, me included, but obviously I have to make sure that I'm providing value to you guys and not just on here flapping my gums, you know what I mean? So those kind of things I try to be consistent with because it's really important. Especially, you want to maintain the relationships with the people that are subscribing to your channel as well. So I want to make sure that I'm getting back to comments as soon as I can, things like that. So that's really what I've been doing. Like I said, it's only been about 2 weeks since I went from 700 to 800, so I haven't really been doing anything different from my last milestone video, but I'm gonna be doing these videos every 100 subscribers, so I'll tell you guys if anything changes between now and 900. So now that I've thanked you guys from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos and subscribing, thank you so much. I want to also announce the winner of the giveaway. If you haven't watched my last milestone video, then you might not know that I announced the giveaway, and what I'm giving away is this cropped denim Topshop jacket. It's actually a really cute jacket. I just haven't reached for it. I haven't worn it. I thought that a black cropped denim jacket was something that I really needed in my wardrobe. So I figured I could give it away to one of my subscribers because that way I knew it would have a good home and it would be with somebody who would love it and take care of it. So with that being said, let's announce the winner. So I downloaded this app that is gonna randomly pick who the winner is. So let's see who it is. Let's do a countdown and everything, make it real dramatic. So here we go. I'm gonna hit this little white bar and then it's gonna pick who the winner is. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so my 1 was delayed, but the winner of the crop denim jacket is Deshawn. Congratulations to Deshawn, you won the Topshop denim jacket. So I will reach out and get your information so I can ship this off to you as soon as possible. And that's it. Now we're at 800 subscribers. That was my first giveaway. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I actually had a lot of fun. And I can't wait to do another one. Like I said, I don't know if it'll be at 1,000 subscribers or before 1,000 subscribers, but I'll definitely let you guys know. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you in the next video.